Have you ever drank cat poop coffee? คุณเคยดื่มกาแฟแบบเมาขี้ไหม Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video from Black Chick Speaks Thai. And in this video, I'm at a coffee plantation in Bali. สวัสดีค่ะทุกคนยินดีต้อนรับกลับ YouTube ของฉันค่ะวิดีโอนี้ฉันอยู่ที่ประเทศบาหลีที่คนทำกาแฟค่ะ Did you guys know in Bali they have a special type of coffee called Luwak coffee and it's made out of cat poop? It's actually one of the most expensive coffees in the entire world. And the way the Balinese people made this coffee, it was so interesting. รู้ไหมว่าที่ประเทศบาหลีมีกาแฟพิเศษทำจากเมาขี้กาแฟนี้แพงที่สุดในโลกค่ะวิธีการที่คนบาหลีทำกาแฟน่าสนใจค่ะ In this video, I also helped make the coffee. And this coffee is called Luwak coffee. Coffee นี้ชื่อ Luwak ค่ะ Okay, so are you ready to watch my video? พร้อมดูวิดีโอไหมดูให้สนุกนะคะ I hope you guys enjoy.
Not yet clean, yeah.
Okay.
The clean, yeah.
What is this over here?
This one and this is the animal, yeah. Like the cat, shepherd cat. You know shepherd cat? It's the coffee bean, you know.
Oh.
Luwak. I call it the Luwak coffee, yeah.
That's
Luwak
the
coffee.
that's the coffee that the cats eat and then they poop
Oh,
out
yes,
and then
yeah,
people it's the
again.
famous coffee.
Yes, of course.
Coffee.
And then good for healthy.
Is it good?
It's number one. You
Good
know,
for
you want a
healthy.
strong coffee, yeah?
Yeah.
This one.
Oh, you have it here?
That's one. You can, and then Luwak coffee now in the morning, afternoon is sleep.
Really?
And then for the active in the night.
Oh,
In the
I don't
night,
want
go
to be
in the
active in
jungle,
the night.
yeah. Go in the jungle. Special.
Wow, look at the jungle.
Lemon.
Oh, lemongrass.
Yes, and
It's
then
called
for the
lemongrass. They
tea,
have
yeah.
this in Thailand.
Yeah, good for the make tea and then for the make curry. Yeah, it's curry. Yeah, that one lemon. This is the anise. This one star anise we have cardamom. This one clove and then in Bali for the use cigarette press one. Tobacco and then that one and then white pepper and then rose. Not
This is the pot.
cacao that one. Cacao the press one and then cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon for stir coffee for harama coffee, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And then until the further for the put you know pancake, yeah.
Yeah, pancake.
Put in the top. Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Yeah, for harama also. This is the normal coffee, robusta, arabica, and the poop one.
Oh, this is the cat.
The cat put, you know, in
So,
the.
okay, you guys, whoever's watching this video, so the cat, there's a special cat in Bali.
Yeah.
It eats something. It eats a certain coffee.
Cherry coffee bean, the red one.
It eats the red special
One,
coffee.
and then
it poops it out, and that's how they make their special coffee. So,
I call Luwak coffee. Yeah.
and they say it's the best coffee in
In the
Bali,
world,
right?
yeah, in Bali, number one in the world.
In the world, it's the
Yeah,
best
but
coffee in the world.
Bali Luwak coffee is strong, yeah, strong harama Luwak coffee.
It's
good,
very strong.
good for healthy immunity, good for brain, clear man also, and then to vitamin D. And then later you can compare Luwak coffee
This
and
is
then
the coffee, you guys.
normal
This
coffee,
is the
yeah.
cat poop. The cat poop coffee.
Chino. This one already clean. Already
Really clean,
And
but
then-
that one's dirty.
And then
Yeah.
we're roasting it. This one.
Oh, this is how it's made. Oh my goodness.
That one we
So she's
roasting.
making, this is after
This
the cat
mommy.
poops out the coffee.
And then, like that one, the roasting, the normal coffee,
Oh, wow.
and then we grind. That one. You want to try?
I'm here in Bali at another excursion. It's called the Wayan Swing Tour. And they also have other stuff here that's grown, like fruits and vegetables, beans and different stuff. So they gave me a tour of that. But the main thing I wanted to show you guys, and I don't know if anyone's heard of this, but it's called the Luwak coffee. And this coffee is number one in the whole entire world. It's really special. And what it is the cats eat like a red coffee. It's a special cat. It eats a red coffee bean and then it poops it out. And then this is the pooped out coffee bean. And this is the clean one. So basically they poop it out and then they make coffee. They grind it. And here is the process. Hi.
Hi.
What is your name?
Adek.
Adek.
Kadek is the number
Oh.
two. Number two.
It's the number 2 famous name in Bali for a woman.
Made.
Oh.
Ako naman ni Kadek.
Okay. And what's your name again?
Wayan.
Awayan. Okay.
Ni Kadek.
Okay, Kadet. Okay. Is this your wife?
No, my
What?
friend.
I just want to know, is that your wife? Is that okay?
My wife live in my home in the
Okay. She's pretty. I didn't know.
He the one in the first one in the fucking.
Oh.
In husband up there.
Oh, okay. Her husband's up there.
Yeah.
Her husband's up there and he's looking at her. He's watching her. Make sure you're working because your husband's watching you, okay? Okay, so basically, you guys, the pooped coffee after it's clean, right?
Yeah.
She roasts it like this.
Like this.
And how long do you have to do this?
1 hour.
1 hour?
Yeah.
Just like that, you sit there for 1 hour?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Until the black color and brown color like that one.
Okay, and then
and
after
then
so she roasts it for an hour, and
And
then
then
it turns to this color. Is it ready for
Already.
coffee right now or no?
No.
Okay, so
Next one.
basically they put it in
poop
this
and-
grinder thing
And grind it
and
in,
heater.
and then after grinding and then like filter like that one.
Okay, so they asked me if I wanted to grind it, so I'm gonna make this special coffee. I call it cat poop coffee.
Yes.
Okay,
Cappuccino, that's one.
cat poop keto.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Peter, you're crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one already
So-
powder, yeah.
So that's already
This one already.
now this is the coffee. Now you guys, they said it's the special #1 coffee in the world.
Oh.
Okay,
You can-
it comes out of the
Mama,
cat's poop.
You can smell?
Does it smell like poop?
No, it's already.
Yeah. This okay,
Oh,
no
it
problem.
actually smells so good.
So good.
Can I smell it again?
No,
I
no.
can't believe it.
No, no.
It doesn't smell. He said no. It doesn't smell like
You
poop.
can smell that one. Yeah.
He's crazy. Okay.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. Both for aroma
yeah,
good,
smells
yeah.
good. Okay, so I'm gonna make coffee.
Yeah.
You guys get free labor from me, okay? Okay.
You can,
Okay, I'm gonna put this down.
Start
Sit down.
roasting, yeah.
Okay. Oh, I thought I have to stand up to make it. No?
Yeah.
Sit down right here.
Yes, sit there.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry, it's a little bit
Okay.
warm, yeah.
Okay, that's
and
okay.
then come the
So,
smoke, yeah.
hi everyone.
Hi.
I am in a hut in the middle of the jungle in Bali, and I met these wonderful people, and they're allowing me to make the special #1 coffee from the whole entire world. It's made out of cat poop. Well, it's actually coffee that the cats eat, and they wait till it's pooped out. They clean it, they roast it, and then they grind
Grind
it.
it,
So,
and then they-
what do I do now? Should I do this part,
Yeah.
or do you want me to grind it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the grinding process. I think I could stand up and
45
do it.
minutes.
Huh?
45 minutes.
45 minutes she has to just, so you just, like this?
Right in here, yeah. Coffee.
Just keep on turning it, roasting it. Does the smell make a person sick if you smell the smoke too much? It's not good for you?
It's good, no problem.
No problem? Okay. So, see you guys?
Nice you, yeah. This
I'm
one
making
also
Balinese coffee.
traditional.
Yeah, I'm a professional now.
Yeah.
Am I professional? I think, you know what? I think I'm going to move to Bali and I'm going to
Yeah.
work here. Can I work here?
Yes.
Okay.
Why not? Beautiful girl, no problem.
Yeah, no problem. You can business in Bali.
Oh.
Yeah.
And I'm sweating like a pig. Oh my gosh. It's so hot out here. But
Hard, making coffee.
you just, are you the only one that does this
Yes.
Yeah.
by yourself? Oh, does your husband make coffee too?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And
Wow.
for the husband come here again, help for the roasting. Yeah,
Ah,
for
okay.
making coffee.
Oh, wow. So, it's hot to do this for 1 hour, huh?
Yeah.
It's not hard.
I'm hot right now.
Beautiful, yeah?
Nice, oh, nice. You see it now?
Huh? Oh, thank you.
Cantik, cantik.
Huh?
Cantik, like beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Cantik. Cantik
Indonesia.
means beautiful in Indonesia.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
Jegek and Bali.
Jegek, you know.
Okay, everyone, how did you like my video? Isn't it interesting how they make the coffee? Kun chop video mai? Video ni songjai mai? Okay, we've reached learning time. This is where my American or English speaking viewers will learn a little bit of Thai, and my Thai viewers will learn some English. พวกคุณคนไทยตอนนี้ฉันจะสอนให้ภาษาอังกฤษนะคะ So the sentence would be, the cat is used to make the coffee. And in order to say that in Thai, you would say Mao chai tom cafe. Mao is cat, chai is used, tom is make, and cafe is coffee. พวกคุณคนไทย Mao มุนกับ cat, chai มุนกับ use, Tom มุนกับ make, cafe มุนกับ coffee. The cat is used to make the coffee. Mao, chai, Tom, cafe. Okay, everyone, so my video is over. Thank you so much for watching. And be sure to click like and subscribe. And also, you can leave comments on this video and let me know what you think. Make sure that you click subscribe. That way, you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which should be every week. ผู้คุณคนไทย video นี้เสร็จแล้วนะคะ อย่าลืมนะ click like แล้วก็ click subscribe ก็เลยคุณจะรู้เวลาฉันมีวิดีโอใหม่นะคะขอบคุณค่ะที่ดูวิดีโอของฉันค่ะแล้วเจอกันใหม่ค่ะ Thank you very much everyone for watching my video and supporting my channel, and I will have another amazing video for you next week. I look forward to seeing you. Have an amazing week. Take care. God bless. Sawadee ka. Bye.